So what can you do when your iPad is frozen and you can't touch anything? Now, let me get started and explain how you can fix that. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials like this one. Anyways, if your iPad is frozen, it's probably just a glitch in the software, and what we need to perform is called force restart. Because nothing really reacts, we cannot really slide to turn off the iPad, so we have to perform a sequence of pressing the physical buttons on the iPad. The physical buttons that we have are usually just the power button as well as the volume controllers. So in order to perform the reset, the force restart, we need to perform a sequence of pressing the volume up button, then volume down, and then holding down on the power button. So in practice, it would look like this. I would perform the gesture and then I would keep on holding the button until the screen goes black and ideally until the Apple logo appears. This is going to trigger the force restart and it's going to basically run the software again. If anything caused some glitching, then it's going to come back to the normal state again and it should be fine. So yeah, that is the quickest way to reset the iPad, which doesn't respond to your touch. Obviously, if it happens a lot of times, it would make sense to check out the settings app, find the general section and a software update to see if that can really fix the issue. Obviously, if there is an update available, it might make sense to get it so it can fix some potential issues like this. Now, I hope that I was able to explain and show you how you can fix it. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below. I'm going to wrap it up and I'll see you later.